In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers into your document to make it more organized and professional. Page numbering is a simple yet essential aspect of document formatting, especially when you're working on lengthy reports or essays. So, let's walk through the process step by step and get those pages numbered. First, open up your document and navigate to the top menu bar. Here you'll see various options, but we want to focus on the Insert tab. Once you click on Insert, you'll be presented with a new set of options. Our objective is to find the Page Number option, which usually appears alongside other useful features, such as headers, footers, and tables. Click on Page Number to proceed. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose where you'd like your page numbers to be placed. You can choose to have them at the top of the page, the bottom, or select Current Position if you're already working on editing a header or footer. This flexibility allows you to integrate the page numbers seamlessly into your document's existing design. For this tutorial, let's say you opt for the bottom of the page. Now, you're going to be presented with a gallery of formatting styles for your page numbers. Scroll through these options until you spot a format labeled something like Page X of Y. This format is particularly useful as it clearly indicates not only the current page number, but also the total number of pages, which is handy for your readers. Once you've located this format, go ahead and click on it to select it. After selecting your desired format, you might notice that the header and footer section is still open. To exit this mode and return to your document, look for an option labeled Close Header and Footer. It might often be located at the right-hand side of the toolbar. Alternatively, you can double-click anywhere outside the header or footer area, and this will take you back to your document. With these steps completed, your document should now display page numbers in your chosen format. You'll see something like Page 1 of 10, Page 2 of 10, and so on, depending on how many pages your document contains. This not only helps you keep track of your work, but also offers clarity to anyone else who might read or review your document. Page numbering is one of those little details that can greatly enhance the readability and professionalism of your work. So, whether you're preparing a report, submitting an assignment, or compiling a portfolio, adding page numbers ensures that your document is well organized and easy to navigate. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore other features in the Insert tab to continue making your documents not only functional, but also visually appealing.